For 75 years, the Precision Metalforming Association and its members have subscribed to the very highest standards of excellence. PMA's annual Awards of Excellence competition recognizes innovative metal forming companies for outstanding performance in the areas of design, product development, process control, productivity, innovation and technology, quality, and training and education. We honor them now, the 2018 Awards of Excellence in Metal Forming winners. Our first award, the Zurich Manufacturing Corporation Productivity Award, is sponsored by Zurich Manufacturing Corporation, Mount Kisco, New York. It recognizes outstanding achievement in the development and implementation of programs and processes and the use of assets that lead to significant improvements in productivity. The winner of the 2018 Zurich Manufacturing Corporation Productivity Award is Anchor Manufacturing Group, Cleveland, Ohio. The company won the award for productivity gains realized from its whiteboard tracking and walkabout program. Anchor's whiteboard tracking contains 3 functional tiers. The first layer, hourly tracking boards, is implemented on new project launch work centers that need improvement, and high-volume, high-revenue work centers. Hourly boards show specific information such as the currently running part number, expected hourly and cumulative rate each hour, the actual hourly and cumulative rate each hour, the amount of scrap and rework each hour, and downtime minutes and reasons each hour. Supervisors must sign off on the whiteboard each hour, guaranteeing that they know what is going on at each work center and allowing them to react immediately to any problems. The second tier, Level 1 boards, also is implemented on new project launch work centers that need improvement, and high-volume, high-revenue work centers. These boards provide a slightly bigger picture than the hourly tracking boards as they track daily and monthly data. The third tier, Level 2 boards, provides high-level measurement and analysis. These boards are used departmentally, and they also track items such as safety-related incidents, quality issues, premium freight costs, and more. The Walkabout brings everything together in Anchor's productivity program. This daily walk begins at work centers containing hourly tracking and Level 1 boards and ends at the Level 2 board meeting area. This walk engages members from each discipline throughout the plant and involves reviewing the most recent information from all whiteboards. It makes everyone aware of what is happening at each work center, in each department or work center category, and plant-wide. The Walkabout is not just about presenting information, but also about ensuring that things are heading in the right direction, establishing future action plans, and ensuring that there is full transparency into issues and that these issues are being owned and resolved. As a result of Anchor's whiteboard tracking and walkabout program, the company has realized a projected annual savings of $668,000 from plant-wide scrap reduction and productivity increases. Anchor went from a plant-wide scrap rate of 2.6% in the fourth quarter of 2017 to a rate of 1.7% at the end of the second quarter of 2018. During this same period, Anchor experienced a 4.5% increase in labor efficiency. Additional program benefits include increased departmental cohesiveness and improved employee awareness and morale. Congratulations, Anchor Manufacturing Group, on your outstanding achievement. The Link Systems Process Control Award is sponsored by Link Systems in Nashville, Tennessee. It promotes the application of electronic analog closed-loop process controls in the metal forming process by recognizing innovative electronic solutions that have resulted in significant quality, cost reduction, and productivity improvements. The winner of the 2018 Link Systems Process Control Award is Pridgeon & Clay, Grand Rapids, Michigan. The company won for developing a poka-yoke process to detect missing or incorrectly installed reinforcement tabs on an automotive heat shield. The process includes automation, pneumatics, and different types of sensors to inspect the part, and provides a return on investment within 1 year. Pridgeon & Clay's recently formed Error Proofing Lab employs 2 engineers. They are dedicated to providing innovative process improvements, cost reductions, and quality enhancements. The lab performed a complete process review for the heat shield and considered alternatives for controlling the process. Visually sorting the parts could lead to human error issues with a probability of non-compliant parts arriving to the customer. Implementing an inspection system inside the tool would require updates, resulting in higher costs than building a poka-yoke. The poka-yoke incorporates the use of automation, pneumatics, and different types of sensors, including proximity, through-beam, and vision sensors. In practice, once a part is run through the tab installation die, it is placed into the poka-yoke by the press operator. Pilots ensure that the part is oriented correctly for subsequent inspection. As the inspection begins, a pneumatic hold-down places pressure onto the part, maintaining its position. A proximity sensor confirms the part presence, and then a vision sensor collects an image and compares it to a stored image. If the image percentage is correct, the part passes the inspection. Next, the pilots are pneumatically removed from the part. The hold-down cylinder retracts, and the part is pneumatically shuttled forward down a chute, passing a through-beam sensor, assuring the proper exit of the part. Parts are batch counted by the PLC. The machine then resets the pilots to load the next part. Inspection takes only a few seconds, and once initiated, the operator is free to load the next assembly into the die. Should an inspection fail, the bad part is shuttled left down a chute, passing by a through-beam sensor into a locked box. If the PLC counts 5 bad parts, it notifies the operator of the fault. The press will not operate until a department leader is notified to identify the problem and resets the machine. The poka-yoke installation and application cost was $20,000. The return on investment for this specific part is approximately $25,000 annually due to elimination of the former sort process. Over the life of the part, ROI is expected to be $105,000. Congratulations, Pridgeon & Clay, on your remarkable accomplishment. The Clips and Clamps Industries Educational Institution Award is sponsored by Clips and Clamps Industries, Plymouth, Michigan. It recognizes a public or private educational institution that provides exemplary training and education services to companies in the metal forming industry. The winner of the 2018 Clips and Clamps Industries Educational Institution Award is Rockland High School, Rockland, California. The school won the award for its outstanding engineering program, dedicated to enhancing the student experience through hands-on educational opportunities. Focused on computer-controlled technologies, the school shop is a modern, state-of-the-art facility, almost completely funded through grants. Rockland High School instructor Dan Frank has secured more than $1.2 million in the last 10 years to build the shop. Rockland High School has built enduring relationships with many industry partners, including Autodesk, UC Davis Biological and Agricultural Engineering, Haas Automation, Kennametal, NASA Hunch, Titans of CNC, and many local shops. Titans of CNC, best known for its television show and its Titans of CNC Academy, has been the school's most prominent partner, and RHS was the test bed for the academy. Recently, the high school signed a contract to produce flight-ready parts for the International Space Station through the NASA Hunch program, becoming the third school in California certified by NASA to produce parts. The RHS Engineering curriculum includes 4 courses. The first level course introduces a broad variety of tools and technologies to the students, and they learn to safely use every piece of equipment in the shop and in the design lab. The second course addresses skill development, during which the Titans of CNC Academy is implemented, and students build their CAD, CAM, and CNC skills. The third course focuses on robotics, during which students design a 120-pound robot for FIRST Robotics Competition, an international robotics competition. The final course focuses on students designing and developing their own projects or managing a variety of job shop style projects from internal and external customers. In addition to the 4-course sequence, Rockland High School offers other methods for students to engage more deeply with the program. A peer teaching option is available for students wanting to mentor other students. A teaching assistant course is offered for those interested in facility operations. And a special projects course is available for students wanting to dig into larger projects such as go-karts. Each of these options enhance the student's experience. Through the support of industry partners and local machine shops, Rockland High School has been able to help its students find gainful employment, go to college, or both. Many graduates have also started their own machining companies. Congratulations, Rockland High School. PMA applauds your efforts to prepare students for careers in manufacturing. The Plex Systems Innovation and Technology Award is sponsored by Plex Systems, Troy, Michigan. This award recognizes a metal forming company that has implemented cloud technology to drive innovation from a product or business perspective or transform business operations. The winner of the 2018 Plex Systems Innovation and Technology Award is Anchor Manufacturing Group, Cleveland, Ohio. Anchor won for implementing software that aids the company in attaining accurate, real-time data for use in streamlining work for employees at all levels. Recognizing the importance of collecting data and the negative consequences of acting on inaccurate data, Anchor decided to implement Ignition software from Inductive Automation. Key software functions employed by Anchor include supervisory control and data acquisition, data reporting, and dashboarding. Because it can connect with a wide variety of device types, the software enables Anchor to capture real-time data easily, no matter what type of equipment produces the target data. And because Ignition is web-based, Anchor easily can access data, reports, and dashboards anywhere via PC or mobile device. The first phase of implementation tackled the human-machine interface, HMI, enabling ease of access and use for employees throughout the company, and seamless integration with Anchor's other resource planning and data-producing systems. Other implementations followed, allowing for capture and use of real-time data. Anchor's dashboards now reflect real-time information. In the past, the company used TVs and PC modules to display work center information such as status, count, efficiency, OEE, or other key machine performance indicators. But the information displayed as recorded didn't represent the current situation of the work center. Now, dashboards and other modules used to view work center information relay real-time conditions to all interested parties. This allows Anchor employees to react to issues much more quickly and improve conditions before they spiral out of control. In the testing phase of the project, Anchor ran the HMI offline in parallel with the standard way that operators recorded production and machine statuses for one shift. On one piece of equipment, according to the data logged by the operator, the machine was down for 54 minutes in that period. Ignition revealed that the machine was actually down for 94 minutes. The difference of 40 minutes is quite significant, especially considering that testing covered only one shift of 7.5 hours. Implementation of Ignition has benefited operators by providing real-time performance awareness and easier status updates. Management has benefited through enhanced data acquisition and access to timely information. Overall, the company has gained a better understanding of current performance that allows for targeting of specific areas in need of improvement and has the ability to expand data collection and control in the future. Congratulations, Anchor Manufacturing Group, for transforming your business operations through cloud technology. The A.R. Hedberg Training and Education Award is sponsored by HPL Stampings, Lake Zurich, Illinois. It requires an outstanding achievement by a company in employee technical education through a comprehensive training program. The winner of the 2018 A.R. Hedberg Training and Education Award is Pridgeon & Clay, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Pridgeon & Clay won the award for its core training program, developed in 2017 by a team of subject matter experts, the training department, and executive leadership. The group was guided by an outside consultant that specializes in training specifically for automotive stamping companies. The objective of the program? Emphasize that Pridgeon & Clay is a metal stamping company and that each person and process within the organization has an effect on output. Core training consists of 9 basic courses that showcase specific gears of the organization: Pridgeon & Clay Business Overview, Metallurgy, Energy, Presses, Dies, Welding, Quality, 5S, and Lean Thinking. Courses are taught as a 2-day seminar-style training session in the company's renovated training room. Sessions are comprised of small groups of approximately 16 attendees from different areas, departments, and shifts within the organization. Each 1-hour-long core course includes Q&A and a short test, with the exception of the core Pridgeon & Clay Business Overview course, which is 2 hours long. Training ends with verbal feedback, takeaways, Q&A, and a graduation ceremony. Core training is designed for all employees. Each session includes a mixture of individuals from all levels of the organization and all shifts and roles. At the end of every core session, executive leadership presents each graduate with a certificate and gift. The core training program has yielded many benefits, including employee growth and development, an enhanced understanding of the business, a heightened focus on quality and safety awareness, increased collaboration with different areas of the organization, positive morale, continuous improvement, and a skilled workforce. Currently, CORE is offered in Pridgeon & Clay's Grand Rapids plant, which consists of 973 of the company's 1,469 global employees. The company plans to roll out the CORE program to its other sites in the future. Congratulations, Pridgeon & Clay, on your excellent work to train a skilled workforce. PMA also offers awards in the areas of design, quality, and product development. The Higgins Cadets Design Award is sponsored by the Quarterly Club, a group of CEOs from leading metal forming companies. The Pridgeon & Clay Excellence in Quality Award is sponsored by Pridgeon & Clay, Grand Rapids, Michigan. The Ulbrich Award for Competitive Excellence in Product Development is sponsored by Ulbrich Stainless Steels and Special Metals, North Haven, Connecticut. If your company excels in any of the 8 award categories, please submit an entry for the 2019 Awards of Excellence in Metal Forming competition and earn well-deserved recognition for your company and employees. Contact PMA for information on how to apply.